Hi, hi, boys and girls. My name is Lucas. I will teach you how to make a cupcake. Ready? So, give me the apron like this.
Okay, I cannot see.
Put it right. And give me this. Stir it up. And then you make two yummy sweet.
So then you can
Go.
see what you're gonna do.
And you will need this. You know the way, right? But some of us here know. So,
Slowly, half cup of milk.
we need
Sit down,
a
Kat. You
big
cannot see.
cup of milk.
Half cup.
Mommy's helping me. She always does. Ma. Can I mix it?
Okay. Oh, be careful.
And that. The one that we
Oh, sit down.
Everything?
Sit down. Yeah, sit down. They cannot see you.
that much. Yummy. Is it all with chocolate? Can you mix it?
Slowly.
Now you gotta mix it slowly. Deeply. Yeah. Come on, boy. It's gonna get mushed up, so we need parent to help when it's small mushed up. Soon you will. It's okay if we spill a little bit. It's a good thing. Don't forget to wear apron. Like I told you. You'll get a little mushy. Look, a mess I did. See that? Sometimes that happens. No, it's getting mushy. But I can do it myself. Yeah, I check. My mommy said it's going to take for a while, so I'm doing it. So, it's going to take for a while to be done. And you just got to bake it. When it's going to be baking, you got to watch my mom this time. That's my dad. He sometimes, Grumpy?
Daddy.
Yeah, you.
Fart?
Me. Somebody part.
Mom,
Let me see.
so mushed up, my mommy. Don't forget to wear this big.
Get that one.
What?
Get that one. Let
You
me-
will need this. Put them on like a head. Let me just clean this up. Smell what I did. My mommy said to clean my own mess, and this is my own mess. Mommy, would you help me? Told you, we're always prepared. Mom, I'll do the rest later. It's okay to make a mess. Yeah, keep going. You can pause it. When you're gonna keep on mixing, and you can pause it when you're gonna run on the mixer. Okay? My mom is getting the next materials. Next time, we're making cake batter with. I'll try not to eat everything. This texting. Telephone. I'll get my hat. I need my hat. Here, my hat is on. You see that? Yeah, I wear it when there's gonna be a very messy one. Mommy, what do you wear me those for? Can I do it? Let me, only me.
Small lang. Ha?
More. More. Only 2 scoops in each one.
Oops. Don't let it then stick to that.
This is gonna be a muffin. This one you gotta pause. Make sure it's okay. Is it gonna become a muffin instead?
No, it's gonna be a cupcake. Continue.
You can do how many much you just gotta pause it.
Oops, make sure it's.
And you gotta make sure it's only inside. Sometimes minus. How about you scoop it and I put it out?
Why?
Wait, maybe I let. Yep. You're supposed to do that. You guys got to really pay attention to me and my mom and the teacher. And make a little swirl like that. Sometimes that happens. Hi, Daddy. Good girl. You
No,
could.
no, you don't. You put the sprinkles after it's done. So we have to bake it.
Maybe you can put any kind of sugar. You can put ooh.
It's not
Hear this.
chocolate.
No,
Yeah, it's gonna be with chocolate.
it's different. The chocolate is later once we're done with this.
Yeah, the chocolate's gonna be later, Dad. You just got to be patient and deeply. Patient and
They
deeply.
cannot see you, Anna.
Oopsies. Look at this. Boom. I'm trying to remove it, you know.
Only 6? 6 cupcake?
Yeah, for 6 days. You get your own. I'll give you this one. Bottom. I'll give you this one. I promise. Whichever is big, I'll give you lots.
Okay, let's see.
It's the messy tap now. So you gotta make your hat.
Should we do it like this?
Ta-da, ta-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da. Yay!
Hala.
Now we gotta put chocolate.
No, Anna, hindi ba? That's different. It's a separate one.
Matapon yan dyan.
Separate yan.
How about the chocolate?
Separate yan. Iba pa yan.
I'm going to do the chocolate also today. This guy.
Sumabog yan. Sabi ko mo ginagawa ko, mamaya sumabog yan. Pag sumabog yan, ako, sira ang video mo.
Again, you have to wait for 20 minutes.
You gotta wait for 2 minutes.
20.
20, I mean.
We'll stop this one first, okay?
Why?
See ya.
See you again.